Hey, what's up? This is Alizaib, and in this video, we are going to see how actually this Claude remote control command is working and how they have introduced this new option. So normally, when you're using a web application, you already know you have a session on your web app, which is front-end interface, and you can just simply open your mobile application and see the same session there as well, and like read the research and everything, whatever you're doing with the Claude. But with Claude Code, it runs on your terminal and it has just that session, and you cannot actually use it on your mobile at that time. So, a quick solution that Claude has introduced is this remote control command. How it's going to work is wherever you're working with Claude Code, you will run this command, which is Claude control. And once you're running it, you will get a URL and a QR code. You can just scan that QR code on your mobile, and you should be able to see the same session on your mobile device. Whatever you're doing on the terminal, it will be showing on the mobile. So that's how you're going to do it, and that's how it's going to run. But again, there are some limitations. You need to make sure you have these already, and you also need a max account. I think it started to give, yeah, now it requires a pro as well, so you can run on a pro plan as well. Previously it was just on max plan. So this is quick intro about this, but like this is a good solution, but I have a better option to do the same thing, which is use a server. That's a simple solution that I normally use. Is what I have done is installed my terminal application on my mobile. You can just install any application. For example, Termux is an example for that. You can install that on your mobile, and you can SSH into your own server, and that server you can install Claude, and whatever you give command, you can SSH into same server from your desktop and from your mobile, and you should be able to use both of them at the same time from mobile and desktop. So yeah, that's how you are going to use it, and that's a quick solution that I was doing previously before they introduced this. So yeah, that's it. So